YouTube channel, Akeem Ola. We have another question today to solve on logarithm. And the question is very, very simple but technical. So let's go solving the question on the board. We have solution. Whenever you are given a question of this nature, the best thing we can do, the best way to solve this particular method is by changing, by solving them individually. I can solve this one separately. I will solve this separately. And I will also solve this separately. Then I will now bring the three answers together. So you get what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm saying in essence. So right, the first one I can write, let's log √2 raised to power 4, let it be equal to p. If it is equal to p, then the next thing I'm going to do now is to remove this log sign. If I should remove this log sign now, that means I'm going to have √2 raised to the power of p is now equal to 4. That is here. So where do I go from here? I already know that √2 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 all over 2. That means this one now will now become 2p all over 2 is now equal to 4. Then my 4 too, I can also simplify 4. 4 is equal to 2 times 2. That is equal to 2 raised to power 2. The base are the same. That means I'm going to have p all over 2 is equal to 2 all over 1. Then I can cross multiply. This now implies my p is equal to 4, as in 2 times 2. I am done with the first one. Then I'll move to the second one. I have again for the second one. I can have q, or I can have let log 1 all over 2 raised to power 16 is equal to m. So the next, I'm going to follow the same method to solve it. I'm going to remove this log sign. If I should remove it, that means that we have 1 all over 2 raised to the power of m is equal to 16. So from there, I am going to have 1 all over 2 to the power of m. Or I can simplify the 1 all over 2 when I apply the law of indices to it. The law of indices I'm going to apply is a raised to power minus 1 is 1 all over a. That means I'm going to have 2 raised to power minus m will now be equal to 16 is 2 raised to power 4. So you have 2 raised to power 4. So from here, the base are the same. They will cancel out. This now implies that my m is equal to minus 4. I am done with this. Then I'm going to consider the last one too. I can write let n is equal to, or I can write let log 432 is equal to n. Remove this log sign. When you remove it, you have 4 raised to power n is equal to 32. Simplify 4 and 32 in terms of 2. That means I am going to have my 4 is 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 2n, is equal to my 32 is 2 raised to power 5. So the 2 will cancel, the base is the same. So my 2n now will now be equal to 5. This implies my n will now be 5 all over 2. That means this equation now will now be p plus, what is the second one? The first one is p, the second one is m, and the third one is n. That means we are going to have, what is our p? Our p is 4. Plus, what is our m? Our m is minus 4. And the third one, what is our n? Our n is 2. We are going to have minus 5 all over 2. So if you go further, you will have 4 minus plus minus will give us minus 4 minus 5 all over 2. So these two will cancel. So the answer now will now be minus 5 all over 2. We have come to the end of this particular solution. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Akeem Ola. You can also like and share my video. I will appreciate if you can do that. Thank you for watching. God bless you.